welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are in New York. And I hope you all have seen the last vlog already. You all know that I am in New York, and yesterday we explored the Friends experience. We went there and then we went to Times Square, ate some yummy lunch and dinner. And today is day 2 in New York City. We have a few things planned, and now we're gonna leave because our family friends are already down. So we're gonna go down and then explore the city. This is my fit for the day, wearing this like chill nice brown top and like plain jeans because you can walk a lot, and then of course shoes. I don't think you can see, but I'm wearing shoes, and all of us are low-key twinning. It is suddenly so cold in New York. I mean, I'm just standing out. It is so windy. It is unreal. It is very cold, and now we're waiting for our taxi to go to Chelsea Market, and then I think we go to Hudson Square and then explore the Brooklyn Bridge and the Liberty, basically Statue of Liberty, take a boat there. So basically it's like all like touristy cool stuff. We have reached Chelsea Market now, but it only opens until after like 11 a.m. So I don't know, we can just like walk around. Maybe there are a few breakfast spots here, but nothing else opens up till 11 a.m. and we have reached here at 9:45 a.m. So we're like super early, but it's basically a market wherein you have like shops, food, like basically all types of shops. I thought it would be an open market like the Borough Market in London, but it's not. And oh, look at this. I think these are all like prom dresses and everything. And then you have some coffee places. It's nice. It's a nice market. We just came to this bakery called Amy's Bakery, and I ordered something. So it's not called the cinnamon bun here, but it's very like similar to the cinnamon bun, like the taste and everything. So I had something like the cinnamon bun, and everyone else had like something or the other, like some bakery stuff, and it was good. Like it was really good. It's a very cute spot. Like this is a spot, very small but very cute. It is so cold. The New York cool girl, city girl aesthetic, it's gone. This is the real side. But you know, people say that if you love Bombay, New York is like exactly like Bombay. Like everybody's been telling us this, that New York is like Bombay. It's like Mumbai, because they have the same vibe, the busy energy, the hustle culture. And I love Mumbai. Like I'm a Mumbai girl. I'm through and through Mumbai city girl. So everyone kind of expected me to like New York, and I really like it. I mean, I wouldn't say like similar. I don't think it's like completely similar to Mumbai. I mean, obviously it's different in many ways. But a lot of people say it's kind of like South Bombay. Yeah, the umbrella's open because it's raining now. It's drizzling. But I mean, in terms of like the hustle and the energy, it's kind of like Mumbai, because the other places wherever I've gone in Europe, over here as well, everything shuts down very early. But in New York, like they are on, like the Times Square and everything is just like a lot of energy, and everything's just like open until much later, which is similar to Bombay. So we're on our way to the Battery Park now, and this right here is the New York Film Academy. And now I think there's a boat ride, and then we go to see the Statue of Liberty. We are finally here. This is the Statue of Liberty. Oh my goodness. It's raining a lot. It's very windy. But this is the Statue of Liberty. And we've reached. And it's so nice, right? It's so beautiful. And I think the weather, though it's a little like windy and rainy, it's kind of perfect because it's a different vibe. We got off the boat, but it's actually raining winter heavily. So we stopped at this like spot. It was a souvenir spot, and it's still raining, but there's no point waiting because it's not going to stop raining when the weather ends. So we're just walking towards the statue now. We are on like the viewing deck. This is the entire New York skyline, but it is extremely cold and very windy. But you can see it. I might have to keep subtitles, I don't know, but it's cold. We came up using the elevator, but we're going down walking 195 steps, which is almost 15 floors. We're already tired, it's raining, it's cold, but we are walking down. It is still raining, the weather is still like that and it's snowing. It's going to rain till like 5 p.m. But now we're going to have pizza, some classic New York pizza. Of course, if you are in New York, you must have pizza. So there's this some pizza bar sort of place which is close by the spot that we're on right now. I look like this because I need to protect myself from the rain. We are done having lunch. It's actually almost 4 p.m. because we had our pizzas and they were actually really good. But then we were sitting inside because it was raining very heavily. So we were just like sitting inside good almost like 2-3ish hours. And now we're walking to the 9/11 Memorial Center. And it is so cold. I mean, it is so cold, and it's also like it's not raining a lot right now, thankfully, but we're all dead tired. Like the rain has made us so tired. I literally put a story this morning saying sunny New York, and now it's become rainy New York. My mom always gets extra like cold. She always feels extra cold all the time. The buildings in New York are crazy. The architecture, the design, everything. They are amazing. This is where one of the original Twin Towers was. I believe this was where the South Tower was. And then there's another one right there. We're kind of like exploring everything by foot, which is how you should explore. I think most cities, like the best way to explore a city is by foot, which is what we're doing, which is tiring. It's very tiring, especially in this weather, but you get to see a lot of things and stop wherever you want to stop. We are near the very famous bull, and there's a proper line to actually take pictures. But let me just show it to you all. It is right here, the very famous bull, and this is like the financial district. This structure, the bull, has a lot of significance, and a lot of people actually like come here and take a picture with it and want to take a picture with it, but there's a huge line. So we cracked a code. My mom cracked a code. We stood on the side where there was no line and very like strategically took a picture so we don't have to stand in a line. We beat the line and we also took an amazing picture. There is a line in the front for like the front picture of the charging bull. There's a line at the back as well for the back picture, like crazy. And even I am a typical tourist over here doing very touristy things. We're now going to Brooklyn Bridge by the subway, our first subway ride in NYC. I mean, I've gone through like the London Tube and a couple of other like subways and tubes and metros or whatever you call it in like different cities in Europe, and I actually want to get that perfect like shot of the subway going and like me turning back. That's like my dream shot to get for a reel. We are currently at the Bowling Green station and we have to go to Brooklyn Bridge, so whatever station that is. We are getting tickets at the moment for that, and okay, the subway just went, but right here is the subway. Why are these buildings giving me like proper London feels? Like for some reason it gives me like full London vibes. But we are at like we're near the Brooklyn Bridge, and thankfully the weather forecast, they work here like bang on. In India, if they ever tell you it's going to rain, it's never going to rain, like and vice versa. But here it's so accurate. They said that it would stop raining at 5 p.m. It stopped raining literally almost around the same time when the sun was out. Now we will start walking on the Brooklyn Bridge, which starts right here, and that is like the main sort of part of it. We're walking on the Brooklyn Bridge now. Everyone's actually really tired. Daddy, are you tired or excited?
Very excited.
You are tired.
Why should I be tired? Not at all.
He was very tired. He was like, let's go to the hotel after some time before this trip. Inal auntie, how are you enjoying today's day?
Oh my gosh, we're having so much fun. We covered a lot of things.
I know. What was your favorite part?
I would say this is the one.
It's the best, no?
Yeah, weather is perfect. It is so much fun walking on a Brooklyn Bridge.
Yes.
And we are just enjoying.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think I should really come to Brooklyn Bridge and just walk if you all come to NYC. because the vibes and just like the weather, especially now the weather has become so much better that it just feels so nice just to walk, and I don't know, it just feels really good. My dad is literally copying me on this trip. He is literally copying me. He is filming reels. He is taking his own videos while talking. This is just him trying to be me. We just like crossed midway of the Brooklyn Bridge. We walked like right from there till here. And now once you cross this, you reach like Brooklyn. So that part was Manhattan, and then that side of New York is the Brooklyn side. It is day 3 in NYC in New York City, and today we're going to Bubby's for breakfast. It's a very popular like cafe and sort of a food place, at least something that I've heard a lot, and I really wanted to go there. We couldn't on day 1, we couldn't on day 2 either, so we're heading out early because it's anyways like a breakfast place. So we're heading out early so that we can get a nice spot because it's a very busy place. So touch wood, hopefully we get a spot, and then we go to Central Park, or then one of the observation decks, mostly Empire State Building, and then we continue the rest of the day. We also have a Broadway today. We're going for Harry Potter's Broadway show, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, and that's how the day is going to look like. It's a very exciting day in New York City. We have reached Bubby's, like it's right there, like across this street. But there's a 45-minute waiting. Thankfully we reached a little early, not that early, we could have made it earlier, but we reached around 9:30 and we are gonna wait. We're standing in the line, like my dad's standing in the line, and me and my mom were just like taking pictures over here. We finally got our table and we're sitting here. We waited for around like 30-ish minutes, and now we're ordering our food. I am getting the pancakes. The pancakes here are very popular, and of course the coffee. And my mom's also getting the pancakes, but different ones, I think with the banana. And I have got like the pancake flight, which is a mix of like many things. So like a proper full pancake mixed with like blueberry, Nutella, everything. The breakfast at Bubby's was so good. It was like my checklist spot, and I'm so glad that we checked it off. And right now we are going to Central Park, but before that we stopped by to see the Louis Vuitton building, and that is in the shape of a Louis Vuitton bag, and I've seen it in reels as well. And now it's right in front of my eyes, so we just stopped the cab right here so that we could go and take pictures. It looks so good, and here are all like the luxurious brands. There's Tiffany, there's Prada, Chanel, like all the luxurious brands like on this street. So this is the Louis Vuitton building. It's literally like the same like shape and the material of the bag. This is so cool, you guys. And this is the entire like street, and this right here is the Trump Tower. Fifth Avenue is literally like, I'm in love with Fifth Avenue. Look at this. All of the most popular brands. There's Burberry like right behind. This one's Burberry. Then you have Chanel right here. Yeah, right here, and a couple of other brands as well. And then of course Louis Vuitton right here. We have reached Central Park. This right here is Central Park, and we're taking like not a cab really, but sort of like I think an electric cab, and then they'll take us around for an hour, show us all the spots, and then we can get down and take pictures wherever we want to. They have just like stopped us at this spot where we can take cool pictures. There's a rock right here, and these buildings right behind are like some of the most expensive buildings, and like the flats are the most expensive flats. One particular building, the one that I can see right here, they said that the last penthouse is going to be sold for $250 million, which is unreal. Guys, Kal Ho Na Ho was shot right here. Shah Rukh Khan was sitting somewhere here, and then it was shot right by this particular fountain. I am in love with Central Park. I am in love. It is so beautiful. Imagine living here and being able to come here anytime and just walking. I would voluntarily work out. I do not work out. After seeing this, if I were to live here, I would voluntarily come and work out. I'm back on Times Square. This is like the morning view. I went at night, and the theater where our Broadway is near Times Square. So I think it's on the 43rd Street. So basically over here you have like streets and avenues, and this is probably on the 43rd or 44th Street near Times Square. We are in the theater. This is just like the outside, and I think we have to go up these stairs because we have the balcony tickets, and there's this cute like telephone booth right here. We got the butterbeer, you guys, a very famous Harry Potter butterbeer. This looks so cool, and also it's the intermission now. The show is so good. I mean, like literally everything, the graphics, the set design, everything it's unreal. We just got done with the show and it was so good. We had a great time, and also the visuals, the effects, they were amazing, like amazing. This was definitely a worth watch. And now me and my mom are going to Sephora to just check a few things out. After Sephora, we've come to Krispy Kreme. It's a very popular donut place in the US, and I was like, I have to try at least one donut. I'm not sure how it will be, that's why we're just trying one of their donuts. It's the original glazed donut that we're trying, like the classic Krispy Kreme donut. And oh my god, I have all like the Sephora samples, sample testing right here. But anyways, so these are all like the donuts that they're making here, fresh. I asked her to give it hot, so she's getting it like right here, so it's like fully fresh. The donut was amazing. I literally like finished it in seconds, and I cannot wait to have it through my trip in different places. But now we're going to this restaurant called Din Tai Fung. Yeah, Din Tai Fung. It's a Chinese place, and there are only 4 spots in the whole of US. So everyone's kind of excited to try this place out, and I love dumplings. I love dim sums. So I'm happy. So they're making live dumplings right here, and we can like see it across. So fresh dumplings are getting made right here. We came back yesterday from the restaurant, and it was a really nice place actually. But again, I feel like I'm a little jet lagged still. Like in the evening around 8:30 I get a little drowsy. But today, I mean it's the next day now, and we're going to the Empire State Building in their observation deck to kind of like get a whole view of the city. Unfortunately, because of the rains, they're saying there's no visibility and you can't really see anything. We have reached the observation deck on the 86th floor. But there is nothing. We cannot see anything. Like I at least thought that we could see some buildings, but there is nothing. Like there is zero means zero visibility. My hair is an absolute mess because of the rain, but we're here. And this is how our view is for today. But it's really gloomy. We are like among the clouds, you can say. We can't see anything unfortunately, but still, I mean, it's windy, the weather's nice. I don't know, good experience. I mean, I know we can't see anything, but still we can just walk around here for a bit. There was no visibility, but anyways, it was still an experience in itself. I don't know, something is better than nothing. At least we came to the Empire State Building, which was a really good experience in itself. So good. That is it for our time in New York City. We are going to another place now, and bye to this hotel room, bye to the view, and that is it to this vlog too. I cannot with my hair situation, like I cannot. The rains kind of messed with our last day plans, but it's okay. It was still such a beautiful time here. I loved New York City. It was, I don't know, I just loved it, and I don't want to leave. I liked it so much. The vibe was amazing. But we're going to continue the rest of our trip, and that is it for this vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.